Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky. We are now, okay, it's not live. We are now rolling with our YouTube family. We're now rolling with our YouTube family. So we're going to give you a little bit of extra content. So we wanted to be excited. We want to talk about something that's so juicy. So, you know, the people who are over on Instagram like, damn, what did I miss?
Yeah.
What can we talk about?
The callaloo I just ate.
Tracy, man,
It was juicy.
Yeah, but you stink up my closet with callaloo smell. I don't say nothing to you till you're pregnant. My whole closet smell like callaloo.
I was hungry. I've been on the road. Oh my gosh. So tell them what happened.
So I was filming my YouTube video. Today is my content day. So I said, Trey, you know, if you're on the road, or can you go on the road and just pick up my Lady Bee Mixology for me? Today's a Kiwi bliss. Tracy calls me, hey, I'm just grabbing toothbrushes, but I can't remember what I came on the road for.
Like an hour later
Yeah, I'm like, Tracy, it's 12:30. Good girl called me from all 10 o'clock, you know. She's like, yeah, I got toothbrushes. I've been to 2 ATMs. You need anything? I was like, yes, my Lady Bee Mixology. Oh, backside! I totally forgot. I'm losing my mind.
I don't know. This baby brain thing is really out of control. Gosh. And I'm so tired from being on the road all morning.
You twit.
Doing nothing.
Oh, my boobs are huge in this top.
Yeah, they do.
This is a skim. Oh, watch this, watch this. That's so gross.
Oh.
Suppose I did my boobs and they look like this.
I think that's how mine would look because I have a lot of space.
No, it's the muscle, you know. So I'm moving the muscle under my
I
boob.
can do it too.
Exactly. So if you put an implant on top of that, now the implants go, hey, left and right, left and right.
Oh.
So he went, I think he went under the muscle. I don't know. They look good, except when I do this.
Maybe don't do that.
Okay, true.
Don't do that.
All right, cool. You know when guys have that peck dance and they're like, huh, 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 huh. It's the same thing.
Yeah, it is. It
You
is
know?
the same thing. Yeah.
Okay.
So, I think they look great. I think your boobs look great.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Checking for calorie in my teeth.
Mm-hmm.
What flavor she gave you today?
Kiwi bliss?
Yeah.
Bliss is right.
It's a good thing.
This is white rum? What she said?
She said it was a mojito. So yeah, probably right.
White rum? Mm.
She does it so good though.
She really does. She really does. Like, she's a true mixologist.
Yeah. And she's so sweet. I really love
She's
her.
really nice.
I really
She
like
works
her.
with her mom. That lady is her mom, right?
And her dad.
I've never seen her dad.
Oh, her dad's a tailor. He's a guy who makes the suits.
You lie.
No, yeah.
Oh, I've never seen the dad. Okay. Oh. I mean, we tried to give them bonus footage, but we're boring as hell right now.
I know.
Am I sweating under the arms?
No. Sorry about that. We're being
Sorry. Boring.
Alright, well, 1 minute left of boringness.
1 more minute to go. 1 more minute to go.
But I went to the country this weekend.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's
but you
exciting.
know that.
You know, but I'm trying to like, oh, like,
Yeah.
you know, the talk show, like, really? Oh my gosh. Heart-wrenching.
Did you see what happened to Crystal Chung's son though?
No?
But he fell off the couch and scraped his eye at the side of his face. So she took him to the hospital in Foreign.
So bad? Oh, that Crystal. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
So she took him to the hospital in Foreign, and the nurse came and posed herself as a doctor, right? And then dealt with the cut and glued the boy's eye shut. So the boy, they were like, oh, don't worry, in 2 days the eye will open up. 2 days went by,
Yeah.
the eye didn't open up, it only opened up halfway and was big and infected.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's been horrible.
I can only imagine. Crystal,
This
don't
is
play
in
them.
foreign. You see, we love to think that our doctors aren't here or foreign is the best or whatever, but I mean, honestly.
We're trying to go live here now. We are now, whoops, trying not to post sexy pictures of myself. Let me go off of my Wi-Fi because once again, I'm having issues. Checking connection.
I feel that's a regular for you.
We are now live. Yeah, but Digital actually did come here today to try fix it. I feel like my belly looking a little wobbly here today. Hi, Joe!
Hi, Joe!
Woo. Alright. Jodi's hair, Kiki's hair, designs by Drew is hair. Indie Boss, Roscato Cato, and 35 others joined. Shelly Tracy says hi, spicy tuna,
Hi.
everybody's here, Fitz just joined.
I cannot believe Fitz, you know, I'm really upset at you because yesterday you logged on to my pak choy salad late, and in my pak choy salad video, I like have a whole entire like moment where I'm talking to you, and you weren't even there on the live for us to discuss it. Yeah, Fitz.
Tisk, tisk, tisk. You guys can check out that video over on YouTube. It's Tricky Cooks with husband. It is, what she cook? Pak choy salad. Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for 1 hour of foolishness, fun, and frolic.
Wow, that
Welcome.
was intense.
So intense.
Hi guys, I'm here.
Big up to Lady Bee Mixology.
Yeah,
Today we got a Kiwi. I was looking at it. Today we have a Kiwi Bliss. And this is the... No, you can't use... Street samples don't rhyme anyway.
So anyways, guys. Oh, thanks, Drew. Drew says he watched yesterday and me and Scott are hilarious. Yes, Drew, I saw you on the live to do. I know.
That was a long video.
It was, but it was funny though.
And then you have to remember, you know what's really, really annoying is that in YouTube you have to film horizontally if you're using your phone.
I forgot.
It's okay,
So it's
okay.
like all over the place.
Okay. How far along is Tricky?
I have 6 weeks left. Or 7. 6 or 7 weeks left.
Yeah?
I don't even know how many weeks I am. I'm counting down. Like I'm over this.
Do you think you'll go for a second?
Scott wants a second baby, and I mean, like, honestly,
Your boobs are great.
I know they do.
Yeah. Oh, she a little tata-titi. Hey.
Scott wants a second child, and I know that I don't want Stevie to be an only child because I've had such a good childhood with my siblings, you know what I mean? But geez, man, definitely not, this baby carrying thing is not for me. You know what I mean?
What did Fitz send it to me? Lord, I didn't save it on this phone.
So anyway, I want to say thank you to everybody out there who watched my stories about the girl who totally ripped off my girlfriend Racine's work.
What?
You didn't see that, Joe?
No.
You know you never look at my stories.
I don't look at anybody's stories, I'm sorry. I keep rewatching mine. I'm so fun, I'm so cool, you the fool. Ooh.
Your makeup looks nice today.
Well, thank you.
So anyway, let me tell you guys what's up. So my girlfriend Rae, she is a journalist. She's over in LA, and like she's doing her thing. Rae is really humble. I mean, she's my best friend. I speak to Rae every single day of life, right? And she is very humble with her work. Like she's done so many interviews with so many people, and Rae is not the kind of person to be boasty about it or nothing. Anyway, she did an interview with Megan Good for Megan Good's new Lifetime movie that was coming out, right? And somebody saw the interview that Rae did, edited Rae's head out of it and put her head over Rae. So it looked like she was doing the interview with Megan Good.
That is either someone who needs a little help, so let's not tease her.
Well, the thing was that she has 30,000 followers and Rae only has 3. The imposter girl. So she plagiarized Rae's work. Like Rae can sue her.
Alright,
and she posted it on her page.
Guys, let's try get Rae up to, let's up Rae's followers. Alright, this is her page here. Let's follow her. I'm gonna read out her tag for you. There you go. My YouTube. So just follow her. RAEALY. Straight war now, you know.
Yeah.
Straight war.
Imagine you've been working so hard at doing something and then somebody comes and steals your work. Literally. Oh, see, Rae is here.
Yeah.
Hi, Rae.
Rae, we are war, you know. We are war. We are go to war.
Yeah.
Follow my bee.
So anyway,
Follow
please follow Rae.
My friend.
So that she can get her followers up. And
I just posted her page. Oh, I should have posted her at it. Oh, I'll do it again.
I How come you're in such a musical mood today?
I don't know. It must be my vaccine.
Oh, so you went for the vaccine?
I did. Oh, we lost 2 people there. Oh, no, we gained back 2. Don't worry about it. So I did go for my vaccine. I went for my joke, last night and in the day.
Last night too.
Exactly.
It wasn't a vaccine though.
Woo! Okay, so I went for my vaccine. I'm feeling fine. But I just want to let everybody know that as with any other vaccine in augmentation, you can have side effects. So just because I felt okay doesn't mean that somebody else won't pass out. So my hand was feeling a little warm last night, and it's a little sore to the touch. And I was so tired yesterday. I was so tired.
This glass bottle is dangerous.
So Miss Arlene was like, she's like, Miss Jodi. No, she don't call me Miss Jodi. She calls me Auntie Jodi. She's like, I'm going to fill up your water bottle. Make sure you keep your liquids up because I don't want you to get no blood clot. And I'm like, no, Miss Arlene, don't want no blood clot around here. So she's filled up my water bottle for me, and I'm not drinking the water.
I am though. So anyways,
oh, yellow, Dirty Paul is here to cause trouble again today.
You love cause
You
trouble.
love cause trouble. So anyway, what I wanted to say, Fitz, I'm sorry I didn't save the picture. So I'm going to help with who joke you, Tracy. Must be tricky you're talking to.
Scott.
So yes, we're going to help out St Vincent and the Grenadines. Fitz, can you do me a favor right now? The same flyer that you sent me in WhatsApp, can you just send it to me on my WhatsApp DM, on my Instagram DM, please? Because I'm using my real phone. My real phone. Please, I want to Sean, you are distracting me. So for those who are living under a rock, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, their volcano is erupting, and even though the people who are on the safe side of the island or in the green, they are experiencing ash, power outages, actually no power at all.
And it's been so hard to breathe.
Exactly. So, we have a lot of people that, just, Lord, even though they thought they were in the okay, and imagine you have all that ash and you can't clean up because there's no, I think they have water, maybe water lock-offs. But they have no electricity. So I like how everybody is listening to my husband and not listening to me. We are dealing with St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And thank you, Fitz. I'm going to use Sean Paul's money, and I'm going to buy diapers, and I'm going to buy feed, and I'm going to, okay, here we go. So from Jamaica with Love, the St. Vincent Relief Drive, they need toilet tissue, sanitary napkins, adult and baby diapers, paper towel, napkins, hand sanitizer, disposable cutlery, bottled water, milk, baby formula, canned food, anything you can. The drop-off location is 24 Trafalgar Road, Kingston 10. So let's buy a couple things, even though
even if it's just a one
thing,
every mickle
make a muckle. All right, so I'm going to donate some diapers and baby feed. So thank you, Sean Paul. We are going to use some of your money other than on Amazon. And then there's also some payment banking information. I'm going to post this to my story. Fitz, can you remind me? From yesterday, I told Fitz I was going to do this and I've forgotten.
So they need towels, sheets, blanket, detergent, bath soap, salt, sugar, batteries, rice, flour, cornmeal, first aid kits, school supplies. Guys, so pretty much they need the necessities, anything.
Yeah, the necessities.
Every mickle make a muckle, and we are one. We are part of a Caracol Nation. 24 Trafalgar Road. Just buy one thing. Just buy one thing when in your supermarket.
So I know that diapers. I'm gonna go to Carimed tomorrow. Is anybody from Carimed over here? I would like to get a discount tomorrow. I'm going to buy some diapers and some feed. I would like a discount so that I can donate. I would love if Carimed could offer a discount to people buying to help those in St. Vincent. You have a number can we get a number for Greg?
Actually, I do have a number for Carimed because they sent us something nice the other day.
Ask if we can get a discount buying for St. Vincent. Okay, we're gonna start out. We won't start out the whole of St. Vincent, but we are going to use our little mickle to make a muckle, and we're gonna help out. So Sean, thank you very much. The address again is 24 Trafalgar Road, and I'm going to post that to my story. They need anything, guys. Canned food, diapers, pads, sanitary napkins, cornmeal, flour, rice. Guys, anything that you can, a little extra of anything. 24 Trafalgar Road. If you need help with a pickup or a drop-off, let me know. And let's help our Caribbean country, because guess what? Jamaica is loved within the Caribbean. All of our brothers and sisters come over to visit us, and if we had an issue, and we have had in the past, our Caribbean brothers and sisters, they come and they help us out. So let's give a little something. It is not twerk time, Fresh Mix JA. It is, we are donating diapers time. Lasco Jamaica. Yeah, hello. Lasco, you know what I need to do?
Very good. That's a good one. Lasco Jamaica too.
I need to start calling these companies, and I need to build like a rapport with like a customer service agent. But when they see me, they're like, Sean Paul, why if I call again, she beg things. But I want them to know that when I'm calling to beg things, it's for a good cause. I need to work up my my black book. Come have a call and beg things, because I like to help. I like to help. Anyway. St. Vincent and the Grenadines, you are in our thoughts and our prayers, and we are going to be sending down a shipment of things. How can I donate if I'm not in Kingston? That is a very good. So if you want to donate, I'm going to post up the banking information. They have, you can donate in CIBC. There's a CIBC here, and there's the disaster management from, oh, this is to Barbados. So you can do a deposit. Networking is key. Yes, I want them to know, you know what? Jodi, I called. She needs something. Use Sean Paul name, yes. Pin it. Okay, so the YouTube camera is right there blocking everything. I'm going to post it all in my stories, and it will have all the information on the banking information, and it will have the flyer with what they need and the drop-off location there. All right, anything you can help. How can I donate from Canada? I'm going to put up the banking information so you can donate some cash. And guys, a little cash, a lot of cash, every mickle make a muckle. All right? So, who is Sean cussing? Add Sean?
No.
We're not Sean. No, we're not adding it. That's not what he's saying. Sean said to add him. Oh, Lord. Tracy said no. How do you add again? Add the G. The G is downstairs. How do we add again? Go live. Hi Sean, can I have some of your money please? I would like to donate. I just tried to add you. It says waiting. Look, you're downstairs!
Me don't see us be able to see the picnic in my talk about for see hey. That's
Where are they?
I'm coming. Picnic them over there. You're doing a very good job today, ladies.
Thank you.
I just wanted to say what up.
What up?
And
Sean, you just did a
no joke.
You did a fresh haircut yesterday.
Juke, Sean, juke.
You did a fresh haircut. You look so clean and handsome.
I'm always looking clean and handsome, Tracy.
This is true. You know what, Sean? You know, there's one thing about you. You always smell really good.
Tell Jodi that one there again.
You don't think so? Not all the time.
That's
I don't
not
think
true.
everybody can smell good all the time.
Sean always smells good.
Yeah, man, me a good smeller.
Alright, Sean, you good smelling person, you.
He's a good
man.
smeller.
You're a good
Joe.
smeller. Yes.
So, Joe,
Yes.
you tell people say you take juke now. So, where that leave me? You take juke from people.
All
What
right.
is
So later we can play nurse and nurse and sick patient. I'll be the patient, and you can be the doctor, and you can come and administer a strong dose of medicine.
you stay there, go on. You stay there, play. Me not play a business, me.
Okay. Wow. All right.
Yo, Mixmaster J, big up yourself.
Not on my life. We're not picking up anybody on my life.
Brand new machine, what up, bro?
I just can't manage the two of you right now.
Okay, Sean. Look after the picnic them. And when you're going on your next live, wipe off your camera.
I'm going to my camera have a broke part tonight.
I'm actually buying a new phone.
Use
So
my money and buy me back on camera.
I'm going to, okay, so the same amount that we spend on new phones for each other, I'm going to donate that same amount of money in diapers, sanitary napkins, and formula to St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Bambino music, huh? One time. What's up, bro?
That's a yes.
I'm bigging up my friend.
Okay.
Bigging up my friend.
Okay.
Don't
Don't worry about what I spent, Sean. Don't worry.
Hey, Hoppa, Wagwan, Hoppa. Did you get your dub, sir? I did a dub for you the other day, bro. Cardinal
This
official
is
is
just
in
a
there.
segment.
Yeah.
Oh my God, man. Big up
Hey
Cardinal
guys,
official.
welcome to our YouTube channel where Sean Paul just bigs up whoever he wants.
Sorry, I'm not taking over. I just see my friends
No,
and a
do your
long
thing,
time
do
I
your
see them
thing,
do it.
do
Yeah,
your
my
thing.
lock up. Because you have my lock up, you know, I'm on fourth there, so.
He's locked up in the fort. He's locked up in the fort, Sean, never mind. I don't even see the kids, where are they?
Them underneath this Sister Levi in here. Wagwan.
Oh, hi Levi.
I remember over there. Oh, she's drawing on the couch. Let me go stop
Sean,
her.
Sean, I just cleaned those couches. Lord.
Come, Remy, don't do that. Don't do that.
You better get the OxyClean quick time.
Come, give me back this.
Remy?
Hi, mommy. Say hi to
I soon come. Alright, okay, Sean. Gotta go.
Alright, later.
Yeah, man. Okay, bye.
No flow.
Alright, bye.
John student.
Okay. Oh, Remy too. Alright, everybody. So that was international recording artist Sean Paul. You can catch him as he pops in every Tuesday right here on our live Tuesdays with Tricky on my IG at Jodi Jinx. You can follow us. But more importantly, everyone, make sure you follow my good body friend Racine, who she is a black entertainment journalist and her work is being stolen from right out under her. You can follow her at Raeally. Sean Paul says to follow her, please.
That's so good.
Yeah, because Sean Paul give us, they're gone. Those motherfuckers logged off.
Who?
Sean give us couple watchers as well, you know. It's alright. Me get a plug. Go, don't worry, I gave the plug while they were still here. They gone now. Damn sellout. Probably girls anyway.
So anyway, I wanted to talk about something.
Sure, what you want to talk about?
Jeez, I feel like I haven't said anything all show.
Well, that's because of Sean. I haven't been talking really. I've been singing with my vaccine. Follow Racine.
You like my curly hair?
I do. Ah, somebody just, thank you, Miss Chin. And now, ladies and gentlemen, a word from our sponsors. Right here in Jamaica, if you get thirsty, grab a bag of Lady Bee Mixology. She can mix up bliss in a bag. And now, Tracy shall talk.
So today I just wanted to ask you guys something, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's about relationships and boyfriends and girlfriends, right? And it's been so hard to date during this pandemic, right? So when you finally find somebody that you want to date, do you guys find that you're making too many compromises for this person because you don't want to lose the possibility of having a partner? Does that make sense to you? Do you understand?
Yeah, you must give blighted big cocky man. Straight.
Wow. Yeah, so I was talking to a girlfriend the other day and we were talking about this and I said, you have to outline the things that you want out of a man and out of a relationship and stay true to them, because it is so easy to forget what you want and to always be giving to the other person just to make them happy, and I guess in hopes that the relationship will work out and that you will stay. But I think it's super important to let your needs be known and act accordingly to what you want, because if you start off false in a relationship, it's never going to be the kind of relationship that you want it to be.
That's true. So, but that's with everything. That's with your friendships. That's even with, like if you start off being false or somebody that you're not, or giving so much blie, you know what I mean? Then you're going to constantly have to do that. And the moment that stops, or you want to start being yourself or start being real, you're going to get yourself in trouble.
So why do you think that we do that? Why do you think that we make up this pretend person or make us feel like we're
It's
okay?
rum juice. It's not rum. It's not juice. It's rum juice. It's Kiwi bliss. I think because as people, as humans, we want to please others. We want to impress. We want to, you get somebody that you're talking to. You want to impress them. You want to make them feel good so that they can continue talking to you. But, you put on those airs and graces, and where in some instances you're not being false, you're being just a better version of yourself. There are going to be times where within that relationship you kind of drop that guard, or you just kind of like, yeah, fat. Whereas before, that would never happen in front of your mate.
So Christy 13 said, I'm okay with being alone. I really respect people that have that confidence and that strength to be okay being alone, because I don't feel that a lot of women know that it's okay for them to be alone. It's okay if you don't find somebody right away. It's okay to put your time and energy into your business or your work.
Drew, can you just raise IG name? Let me pin it, please. We are not going to let our beautiful black, beautiful skin Jamaican entertainment journalist be plagiarized. We are gonna get her. We're gonna get her to a whole heap of thousand of thanks, Drew. Oh, hold on. How do I pin it now? Hold on. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Pin comment. There you go. Erase pin it at it. Somebody just said the same thing. Like, it's not being fake, but you want to give the best version of yourself.
These comments are coming in so fast. I'm trying to read and go along. You have to be yourself. It's the only way it's going to work, says Lovey Love.
Agreed.
I agree.
A man will appreciate a woman who is real from the get-go. But don't you find that some women aren't real from the get-go?
And then you know, I find in the beginning stages of dating, right? I find that the men are always the one to like make the decisions or ghost or say, okay, this is not the woman that I want. And the men kind of have the lead in the beginning. I would say majority. You know, there are cases where women do, but I say majority, because you know, majority of the women are like, oh, I was ghosted, or oh, this didn't work out for me. And I think that that's because men can kind of read into relationships quicker than women can. What do you guys think? Does you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like a man can say, okay, this is a girl for me, I want her, whereas a woman is always kind of like living in la la land of, oh, the possibilities.
Yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I get what you're saying.
What do you guys think about that?
No desperation and pick me women around here. People grow, people change. You have to be adaptive. True, but not to be a total 180.
So Jamaican women, I find that the men always want the women to compromise.
Yeah, I find that too. It's like the men don't want to compromise. It must be the women that must do it.
And you know, Jamaican beauties, I think you have a point there, but I think it's for a woman to be strong, and that's the whole point of my argument here, to be strong and say, no, this is who I am and this is what I want out of a relationship. And whatever it is, like, you know, you have to have a relationship that does something for you emotionally, physically, financially, intellectually, and spiritually. If you don't have these 5 things in a relationship that are given to you, I personally don't think the relationship is gonna work out, because you need something to entice you in these ways, you know?
Entice. I like that word.
Yeah, it's nice, eh?
It's a nice word. It's a nice word.
It's a nice word.
This is a heavy convo for right now, girl. Jeez.
You find?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm feeling light and airy.
Oh, okay, sorry, I'll switch the convo up then. It's not
People
strict
seem
along
to like
gender
it.
lines.
Should be both ways.
Hold on, I was reading JC Fleet Sweet. It's not strict along gender lines. It depends on the self-awareness of the individual.
Okay. This is
very
yeah.
JC, good
This is
point.
why I like this
Self-awareness.
conversation. Yeah.
I think that's a good thing to point out too. Like, what is the self-awareness like in the individual?
Compromise is a state of madness. #mental. I don't know. I don't know if I agree with that fully, because I do like these conversations that we're having. And
well, yeah, okay, it's compromise. So Jamaican beauties kind of contracted just what you read a while ago, saying if you compromise on a restaurant, that's not a bad compromise, but to compromise on some things that are super serious, then that is more. That is more. Our whiskey so says it's not 50-50 anymore, eh? Rory, it is 50-50, but I think the 50 that you want is a 50 that you need to make sure that you're getting.
Giving or getting.
Well, the 50 that I want from you, the 50 that I want from you, has to be the 50 that I want. 50 that, you know, like, you could be giving in a different way, and I don't acknowledge that, because it's not what I wanted.
Oh. So even today I was filming my YouTube video, and today I did my questions. So if
Your ears are so clean, my girl.
Really? You should have seen the big piece of wax. I was on the road and it was so big the AC blew it off my finger. But I have an issue with my ears. Are we changing the topic now? Because I'm going to tell you about my ears. You remember when I came here with an infection?
No, we know about your ears, babes.
I have an issue with my ears. Like I cleaned my ears so much that I got an ear infection. Like I got, what was it? A middle ear infection.
Well, I had a dream over the weekend that I picked my nose and I put the booger on the sheet. And when I woke up,
it was a crusty sheet thing.
When I woke up, I was looking for the booger on the sheet, but I realized I was just dreaming.
You ever pick your nose in your sleep?
I'm sure I have.
Do you think he ate it?
No.
You ever used to eat your booger?
Do you know what Scott does though?
He eats his booger?
No, Scott doesn't eat his booger. He doesn't eat. You eat your booger.
I used to eat my booger, but I don't anymore. I weaned. I'm sorry, I weaned off my booger, but I was one of those kids in first grade when you get the little crusty booger.
You're so gross.
Come on, man. You're gonna go on like you're gonna eat your booger. You've tried it. I know this.
Okay, I've tried my booger.
Exactly. You never had a really good one?
No!
Sorry.
I tried it once and that was it.
I love a crispy into like a little slimy.
No!
You know, you're like, ooh, texture. You know?
Please!
No?
This can't be happening right now. Oh my gosh, you notice how my hair is growing though? I'm so happy for that. Oh my goodness. I've been waiting for hair growth from Stevie. I can't wait till it's like down here and curly.
I've been growing my hair too. Ooh, that was a long message from Jamaican Beauties, and I always like her comments. Exactly, relationships are all about compromise. No one is exactly how you want them to be when you meet them. Men compromise and women rarely, but I want women to compromise for them all the time. Girl, we moving on to booger.
Jamaican Beauties, I really feel like that's
It's dinner time here, girls. Please stop. Sorry.
Jamaican Beauties, I feel like that's a good comment. I feel that this is a conversation that we could talk about for a very long time with what women want and what men want. But I don't think that women are very straightforward with what they want. That's my whole point. That I don't think they come out and say, hey, this is what I want. I want a man that can do this and this and this for me. So I feel that they kind of shaft themselves by not being straightforward with what they want.
All right, let's do something exciting for next week. Let me see if he's available. Let us talk to Dr. Darrell Daly.
We'll see if he's available.
Let me see if he's available for next week Tuesday, because you know these doctors, they're always busy. Busy.
Yeah, well, guess what? You know, they're very busy because there's a lot going on.
Yeah, but I have like, oh, you know what I want to... Okay, let me ask him if he's available. If not, I'll ask him when he is available. Ask him, you know, is it healthy to eat all this booger? I'm just joking.
Have I told you guys that I want to save and eat my placenta? Did I tell you guys?
Did you want to eat it? I would. That's an awesome story. I will eat it with you.
You eat my placenta?
I definitely will. Are you gonna saute it?
I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but
I want it like a stir fry.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, stir fry placenta. I would definitely eat that. And you're a good cook too.
Yeah.
Ooh, you could do a YouTube video out of it. Now we add a little sesame oil. And now we turn it
into placenta. It's dinner time for some people.
Oh, sorry. But placenta sounds good.
Oh, yeah.
Drew, I see that comment. Drew, behave your little self.
So,
Somebody says make pills.
Jari's actually, I was planning on making some pills with it. Yeah. So I heard the benefits of eating your placenta are really good for not having your hair fall out and also for postpartum depression.
I mean, you could just have a little cod liver oil like me, but if you want to eat your placenta, I'm not going to let you have that one by yourself. Not going to let you have that one by yourself. I'm definitely going to have a pill. Sorry.
You're going to jump in on
I'm going to jump in on that. Definitely. Sorry. Not letting you eat your placenta by yourself.
That's what sisters are for. See, this is why I need
I'm going to eat your placenta.
Yeah, that's why Stevie needs a sibling, you know.
You gonna do this again?
I know.
It's so stressful for me.
Stressful for you. So anyway, so this girl group that I'm in today sent us a picture of.
Oh my Lord! If you ever see Tracy Stewart, Roman.
This is a picture of me from Cayman Carnival a couple years ago. That's Stevie's mother right there.
She's like, Hey guys, just cleaning out my phone and I found this. Can you show this to Stevie when she's older? That's her mother on her head. Tracy's actually a very good head top wino.
I am.
Very good head top wino.
I am.
So she would use that and you know, have fun.
Get the boys.
Yeah, get the boys, you know, you just, hi Wayne!
Hi, Wayne. Actually, Scott remembers.
Is Scott gonna eat the placenta too?
Probably.
He doesn't look like a placenta eater to me.
Probably not. Probably not. He's not.
But if you have extra, we can give to mommy. You know, if mommy sees me and you both do it, she's gonna be like, I'll try.
You know,
mommy, are you here?
Scott is so quiet when it comes to these things. Like, he definitely does not share his opinions or judgments. He's just like,
yeah,
okay.
just very. And then you talk about him like years later, you'll be like, yes, I ate Tracy's a placenta pills. He'll be like, yes, it was horrible. It's bitter. It's like, how you know that? Yo, I opened one of those capsules and tasted it, of course, because Scott knows everything.
Yo, he's such a know-it-all.
He's a very, very know-it-all.
With that big head, he has to fill it up with
Scott wants his fried in 1 inch of oil. Now, if those of you who did not see Tracy's cooking video that she last posted, her pak choy video, Tracy likes to fry food in hopes and dreams. Tracy, it didn't even spread around the pan. Why do you have my name saved in your phone as Jodi Stewart?
I just don't find that that's a problem.
Ooh, watch. Ladies and gentlemen, go behind the muscle. It needed more oil. I agree, but then I don't agree. If it's a non-stick pan, I find that you could just use a little spray because you don't eat a lot of oil and your belly start gripe.
I just find that like I'm trying to keep a figure going on here. I don't want to be.
What kind of figure? The figure of a cent? An apple?
Figure of a pregnant woman. I don't want to put on too much weight, and then when baby comes, I can't.
Don't worry about
lose
that.
it.
Don't worry about that, Trey. Look at me. I gave out Levi
Pass
in.
over the water is Arlene set for you.
For me, right? Let me check that's a Dominic blood clots. Keep it moving. Whew. Keep it moving. I don't even remember what I was gonna say. This is great. What is this? Kiwi bliss? Jeez, of his mercy. You know what we should ask Lady Bee to do? Let's give her the placenta pills and then she make like shots.
Oh wow.
Lady Bee Mixology, do you think you could do that? Like,
I don't know. I think that's taking it to a whole new category.
you know, but no one else has done that. I'm doing that. Lady Bee Mixology, I'm going to give you some of Tracy's placenta pills. I would like you to create a beverage for me. Are you pregnant? She's pregnant.
I'm pregnant. Well, this is my pregnation belly.
But you look small today. Looks really small today.
So Stevie
Lady Bee Mixology laughed, but she hasn't answered.
She laughed, but she's gonna think about it.
She says, okay, I'll try. Well, you don't really get to redo it. We ain't gonna take out that many placenta pills.
Who wants a placenta pill shot? Say I.
That will hide any bitter taste of the placenta. Okay,
Yeah,
we're gonna do placenta shots.
Oh my goodness, this is crazy.
By the way, Tracy, your sister name shouldn't be saved as your sister name. So you should say that. Margaret? My matey's name?
I don't know.
Is Margaret my matey? That's such a proper girl name. Can you imagine if I find out some my matey named Margaret? Margaret? What Margaret be baking? Bread? Hot cross buns? She likes to sweep?
So hold on. Beautiful Brown World says she's up for a placenta shot.
I think we should share. I think you should share your placenta. I think we should do
Brown
shots.
World is a real thug though, you know. She's a ride or die for me. You know, she always back. She have my back.
Gertrude. Okay, if I find out I have a matey, that's one thing. But if I find out I have a matey and her name is Gertrude,
What you say?
I'd be really upset. Jodi, I think it all has to do with the vaccine and the Lady Bee Mixology. I'm feeling great and good. I saw earlier somebody asked me which vaccine I took. I took the vaccine that is available to us here in Jamaica, the AstraZeneca. We have been having a vaccine bliss going on for the past 2 days, today and yesterday. And yesterday and today it opened up to the younger age categories, the good up by the 20-year-old them. So I was like, okay, let me head on over and
Just like that.
I did take my parents on Saturday, but I wasn't in that age category. And yes, I did ask, and they told me no, so I didn't bother push it. But yesterday, when the Blitz opened up, I went and I got my AstraZeneca.
Jodi, they're asking to see your outfit.
Oh. Wait, let me just make sure I get up slowly.
Right.
The vaccine Blitz.
Wow.
So today, I'm feeling myself in my cheap Fashion Nova. I said this is a long time Fashion Nova purchase. I said I'd stop buying Fashion Nova, but this is a long time one. I got these on Amazon. I was trying to get some non-batty rider shorts, but my bottom be hungry.
I know. You have a big bottom. Watch it. Watch it. Every time you get up to show off your outfit, you have to do this dance. This is your outfit dance?
Oh yeah, this is an outfit dance.
Oh, okay.
What other dance you want? $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7 more. Dollar.
I wonder how the dogs are doing in Canada.
The dogs are living life. It's coming up to spring or summer or some season now that's getting warm. Those aren't mongrel, those are mongrel.
I just still can't believe it. Like, they are living life.
More sustainable fashion. I agree, and I've been buying from other brands. Excuse me.
I'm all up for sustainable fashion.
Yeah, you sustain what I throw out.
But, you know, sometimes you actually buy stuff for me brand new, and that's what I really like. Not just a hand-me-down.
Guys, remember, in the tag we have Racine below. Please, guys, make sure you follow her. We are going to show that there is power in originality, authenticity, and black girl magic. Please make sure you follow her, and what I will ask her to do is next week she'll come on the live and we'll do a little conversation with Racine so you can find out why does Jodi keep saying to follow this girl. Who the hell is she? We're gonna talk to her next week, and I will do 3 of her
But is she here today?
She's here. She's sitting back. She's like, oh my god, I'm gonna get famous.
Rae, well, let's see if we can add her in the live.
Add her now?
Yeah, we've been talking about her all
day. Yeah, but YouTube is just like, yo, what am I? She's here. Racine. She might be in a meeting. She's a very, very busy girl. Very busy girl. YouTube is like, they can't hear. Them don't know what one. Nushi's here. Nushi, where's the Hennessy and the Red Bull? Let me get hypo. And I want for the night. And where's the crab legs?
Wait, what's happening at your house? Hennessy, Red Bull, and crab legs? I feel like...
Darling. That's how we do in the uptones, upper echelons of Norbrook. We have crab legs and Hennessy.
So I'm to come over for dinner tonight?
Yes. Our dogs are from Canada. They're the mongrels. We make sure they're shipped
I didn't
around
know
the
all
town.
this was happening.
Call her. Where is she? I think she might be in a meeting. She's a very busy girl, you know.
At this time, usually she does have a meeting.
Okay, so let's set up something with Doc next week, and let's set up something with Racine. People keep asking for her, so if she hasn't responded, she might be in a meeting. Look here, Shabba. The crabs are in Winsom's freezer. We're coming over.
I don't know, you know. I don't.
Only if Nana is coming. Nana is coming today, you know.
Oh, Rae, see Rae.
I'm here. Rae, we're calling you. Oh, Ray's probably like, I don't even have on any makeup. What are you guys doing? How do you add her? I think she's ignoring us.
No, she's not ignoring us.
Oh, just hold it down.
I don't know how to do this.
There we go. Go live with Rae. Pin back up in here, quick girl. Quick. Look at this guy. Eye lipstick, quick girl.
Bonnets are acceptable.
Yeah, bonnets are acceptable. She's like, I'm not adding them. Hi, Rae.
Hi guys, and yes, I don't have on makeup.
Okay, tell us a little bit, Racine. So we've been telling everybody today to follow you, and they kind of want to know why. So give us a little story. You're a Jamaican girl, but what are you doing? Where are you now? And why are we to follow you?
Okay, so I am a Jamaican journalist, guys. Hi. I was actually the host of ER for 3 years, but as Jodi and Tracy will tell you, I'm not super enough or like to go on, you know, kind of promote myself. So that's why my friends are so important, because they do it for me, and Tricky's army is amazing. So I had a great interview with Megan Good. I used to do red carpets. I've interviewed Sofia Vergara and like all of these big celebrities. So now these days they're having virtual red carpets, obviously. So in this press conference, I was selected. I got to ask Megan Good some questions, and then they sent out the footage to the pool. So this nutty girl, sorry, I could break up my phone.
Yeah, girl, please.
This nutty girl came along and decided to literally crop me out. She literally took my face and cropped me out of my video and recorded herself asking the questions and then put herself in and then published it and said that she got exclusive with Megan Good. And she did this to several reporters who got to interview Megan Good and put it all together. Like she got like a 10-minute exclusive. So of course we were all vexed. We worked really, really hard.
Yeah.
It's not easy to get into a lot of these press conferences. It's not easy to get on these red carpets. And I mean, she has a big following, obviously. Like she has one of those like, you know, celebrity blogs and all of that stuff. I'm not a huge social media person, so I guess she thought she could get away with it, but I don't think she understands that Jamaican people don't play like that.
Yeah, we really fight and we really support our own when it comes down to it. And boy, Racine, how does she look?
I'm usually cuter than this, by the way. I'm usually cuter than this. I must say, I'm usually cuter.
You look great. Skincare routine on point. How does a girl look? Is she of dark complexion?
It's another black girl, which I think is the most hurtful part. Yeah, is that it's already so hard for us here. It's hard for Jamaicans. It's hard for black women in this industry in LA. And so for her to come along as a black woman and do this was really, really, really shocking and surprising. Like we have enough to deal with. And I get snubbed on the red carpet all the time. I've been told that I'm too urban, which is like, okay, cool, what does that mean? All of those things happen. So for another black woman, that was really, really disheartening.
Yeah.
But she did it to a Jamaican this time. So, I mean, she did a bunch of people, but she also did it to a Jamaican. So, not cool. So luckily my brother is a lawyer, and so he is filing a cease and desist.
Right.
And getting her to take some of that stuff down. But it's just really one of those really slimy things. Like you just don't do that, you know?
Somebody said name the dirty girl so we can put her on blast. Do you want to name her because
And that's the thing is that I'm not a very salacious person. I'd prefer for you guys, if you wanted, to support my work rather than kind of tear her down, because the more attention she gets, trust me, she's been getting plenty attention. No, she's been getting plenty attention, and she's posting her bottom and carrying on and loving it and saying how, what she posted, I made the lime, or we made the lime, but she made it hot. I'm like, honey, it was clearly hot if you went through all that trouble to steal it. So I don't know.
So Rae, tell us about some other cool interviews you've done with some other celebrities. So you said you've done Sofia Vergara.
I've done Sofia Vergara. So I'm going to not lie to you. I think she was just very hot on that day. She wasn't the nicest person I've ever met in my life, but it really was hot, and the sun was really hot, so I think she just wanted to come out to the sun, and she was miserable. Simon Cowell is actually the nicest person.
You did Simon Cowell? You interviewed Simon Cowell?
There's all this like crap about him out there, but he was really the nicest person. He remembers you. He comes back. He asks how you are. He knows that I'm Jamaican.
What?
I've done Nick Cannon, and of course Nick Cannon has done some work in Jamaica, so Nick Cannon was awesome. As soon as you said Jamaica, people have a different attitude altogether. Like, who else have I talked to? I talked to so many people. I just did Lonnie Love a couple weeks ago, Carrie Hilson about 2 weeks ago. Lonnie Love is amazing. She's hilarious. She's just sparkly and magical. Like, I love her.
So let me ask you this. Where can we go to view your interviews that you've done? Is there do you have a website or something that we can log on to so that we can see your work?
Yeah. So if you go to my full first name is Racine. So if you go to RAECINE.com, I tend to post more of my work there. But also, guys, I started on ER. Like, Anthony Miller is I'll talk about Anthony Miller and cry. He's my favorite person on this earth. He is amazing. That's where I started. That's where I learned. So please still support our local programming, support ER, watch it. Support all of the local shows, because you really can use that as a launching point to get into Hollywood, and it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, I've done Rosaria Dawson. She was really, really nice. She literally turned back on the red carpet and ran away from her press people to come and do an interview with me, because she was just like, no, I'm not going to skip my girl. Like, and ran back.
Who is somebody that you interviewed on the red carpet that you were surprised how they looked in person? Like, you were just like, shocked that they had on so much makeup, or their skin was so bad, or what?
Well, no, it's actually the opposite. So I didn't get to actually interview her, but she wasn't doing interviews that day. But Gabrielle Union, her skin is perfect.
You lie.
You can, I was this close to her face, and she don't even have a pore. Her skin is clean. That is the goodie as a goodie. Her skin is clean and nice. So Gabrielle Union's skin is clean and nice. I don't know if you guys know Amara La Negra. She's she was on, I think it's Love and Hip Hop or one of those.
Yes. Yeah,
her
she's
skin,
Brazilian or something like that.
She's Dominican or
But
Brazilian.
yes,
I'm not
Dominican.
sure. She's of some. I think it's Dominican. But her skin was like, and actually, one that's I interviewed that was interesting is I interviewed Stacey Dash. So if you guys remember Clueless,
Yeah.
Stacey Dash is the Cher's best friend in Clueless, and of course she has a lot of beliefs that not a lot of people necessarily agree with. She's a Republican. She didn't pick up Trump. Them things there. So it was like a really weird kind of like I don't agree with you, but I have to talk to you. And she was lovely, and I think she's come a long way, and she's like recognized that some of her beliefs aren't necessarily the most productive for society right now. But she was actually very nice. She's very centered and humble, and it's just unfortunate that for me she don't believe the same things that I do. But she's pretty cool.
So Rae, you're in LA right now. So we're calling you from Jamaica to LA. And we have had your book on the show before, which is called Spotlight on Me. So you actually worked for a couple years doing up this book, and it is your love child right here. Tell me a little bit more about your book and why you think, well, I know why your book is important for other people in the industry. Even for me reading the book, and I just have a little YouTube channel, it was really important for me to know what people are looking for in my delivery. So tell me a little bit more about your book and why you think that it's such a great read for anybody who's trying to get into the industry and doing public speaking.
So first of all, this book was birthed when Tracy and I were drinking and drunk. So if you actually look at the last chapter of the book,
you have a dog?
I had two. I brought my dogs up here from Jamaica. Hello.
A mongrel?
My two are here. But yeah, Tricky came up with the last chapter of the book is called Spotlight Swag, and Tricky actually came up with that. That was supposed to be the original name of the book, and then we had to change it. But it's really all about how to give a good interview, because I found when I was in Jamaica, there are a lot of brands out there, there are a lot of independent people, and a lot of smaller brands that are starting up. And when you do get that media attention, you don't really know how to present yourself, and you end up doing a bad interview. And you know that Jamaican people, we are lovely, but we are also disgusting, and they will drag you. So they will make you into a meme, they will make you into all kinds of things. So I didn't want that to happen to people, especially younger people, influencers, upcoming people. So I just saw somebody ask if it's a brown terrier. No, I have two little stush dogs. Let me see if I can make you see them. I'm on my balcony. I have two little stushies, but I didn't bring them from Jamaica. I was them. You have to have a big dog person. You have to love your dogs and big up all of the brown terriers in Canada right now, living their best life. But yeah, guys.
Okay.
But thank you for your support. And by the way, Tricky, I remember bad because I had so many messages from people when I posted yesterday about what happened to me. I had literally so many people that like support Jodi and Tracy, and it was like, Tricky sent me. And this girl Dottie, and everybody's her down, and I really, really appreciate it.
We are going to try and get you to more followers than her. We're going to try to get you to more followers than her. And I don't really know who Sean's new publicist is, but she's taking, interview things. So I'm gonna tell her, I'm gonna ask her, because she's a bad girl still. So I'll ask her, I say, hey, I got a friend who wants to interview. I'll actually be told her, like, hi, good afternoon. There's an interview I'd like you to set up. So I'm gonna be really like stush with it, like very professional. Girl, we're gonna get you to chef 30,000. We want to get 40,000.
Thanks, guys. But I'm working on it. I'm working on some stuff to bring more Jamaican stuff to Hollywood as well. So
yeah. Okay, and thank you so much for repping us over there.
I'm cute on my Instagram.
I'm cute on my Instagram.
Yeah, she's cute. So you guys can check out our Instagram. It's pinned below, and I'm gonna put it in, or it is in my story. So make sure you check her out, guys, because we do want to support our Jamaicans who are overseas and repping our brand in such a classy way. Because me would not go and send us there.
I know.
Me personally, me like back.
So yes, but I don't know how to hang up, by the way. So I don't know how to hang up. So.
Okay, I'll try. Oh Lord. Oh boy, I don't know what to hang up either. Hold on, how do we do this?
Bye, Rae.
Oh, hold on.
Bye.
Remove. Okay, we're moving you, Rae. We're moving you. Remove.
Alright, there we go.
Alright, guys, so remember, please make sure you follow Racine. We have such an amazing brand Jamaica, and we have people who go overseas and they are our ambassadors, and when people take advantage of that, they take advantage of the whole of Jamaica. So we want to show this big batty gal who posting our pictures and making fun of this, that Jamaicans are not somebody to be played with, you know what I mean? And she's handling it so classy. Me?
I know.
Meh. Big dirty, big titty meh.
It's so funny how we have such classy friends, eh?
I know. How did that happen?
I don't know.
If we were there, we're like, show me our page. Show me our page. She geotag anything? We'd be like outside on no poo with no poo. What the fuck? With like shoe polish. That was me back in high school. You know, queen of shoe polish and ooh a beat. Baseball bat and all
Henriques says, Tracy, we need to talk about your interview skills. They're okay, right? They're okay. I think I could get a job as an interviewer. TVJ need to log on to me.
You and Debbie would sound good together, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, Debbie has such a nice voice.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do 3 giveaways of books next week, but I haven't bought them yet. Fitz, you have a lot to do. Can you remind me? I need to purchase. I'm gonna purchase them because we're also going to support Racine. So I'm gonna purchase 3 and then I'm gonna give them away. Fitz, you have a lot to remind me of. I hope you remember the first thing you were supposed to remind me of.
I know.
Because I don't remember. So remind me to get 3 books. We're gonna give away 3 books next week, okay? And they may take a little while to get to you because they still haven't gotten to me.
So I have another question to ask, right? Well, we kind of like not really gotten to any of
them.
We
good, man.
But I wanted to ask if you guys believe in reincarnation. Even if you don't, we're just pretending right now that you do. What would you? Oh, Stevie's kicking.
Really?
Yeah. No, she stopped.
Stevie, it's Auntie. I feel her move. She didn't kick. She moved. It's Auntie Stevie. I'm gonna take you on the road. I'm gonna change your wee diaper. Mommy gonna do the doo-doo.
So if you believe in reincarnation, even if you don't, or pretending that you do right now, what animal would you want to come back as?
Cockroach.
What?
Cockroach. Straight. Cockroach. My cockroach. Cockroach.
Why a cockroach?
So, you know, there was a time where a girl was dissing me online and she called me a cockroach and I was very upset about it. And then I started to think about it. Not only can I fly, right? But I can squeeze anywhere where I want to go. And not only that, no people afraid of me. Cockroach. Straight. My cockroach. Cockroach.
Okay.
Cockroach. Can go anywhere. Afraid of me. Brown, slim, cockroach. Going to live forever. Hard to kill. Flying cockroach. Cockroach. Me a cockroach. Cockroach.
Alright.
Cockroach.
Okay. Well, I've given this thought a lot of thought. I want to be a duck because I can fly and swim.
You never see cockroach on top of water yet, and them just afloat. Them graceful, you know. Their legs are tucked under them.
Oh, they're tucked under.
Cockroach, straight cockroach. Duck is a bad idea. Cockroach. And we can cockroach. Me a cockroach.
Oh well, would anybody else like to be a cockroach? I can't even go on.
Butterfly, an animal humans don't eat. Cockroach. Whoever eat cockroach. And the people that eating cockroach are the same ones that eat in the back that cause this, so they're gonna stop. Cockroach.
Oh,
cockroach.
Gosh.
Ducks also get shot during hunting season. Exactly. Have you ever seen anyone shoot a cockroach? No. You put a roach on his back and he stays there for days. Long lasting.
Slim
that's
Slimmer
all
says
the
she
woman them
wants
want.
to be a pit bull for sure.
Pit bulls can't fly. Pit bulls are so majestic. I think that's such a great word to describe a pit bull. It's not a cockroach.
So anybody else?
Mad Cup Bewitched. Chinese eat cockroaches. I find that the Chinese eat a lot of things, so you know that's not a good.
So Skylar Living, you would want to be a rat?
Rats can't fly.
Rats don't do anything cool. Beach Babe Shannon says she wants to be
Them
a
going to
lioness.
step on you? No, mommy, fly fast.
Designs by Drew says he wants to be a Canadian brown dog. It's not even Jamaican anymore. He gets a visa and they're done changing
And he's
nationality.
appropriated overseas. All right.
Wait. Debbie
Wait,
says,
a cockroach even has an emoji? Sealed. I am a cockroach.
someone says rabbit.
Why would you want to be an animal
Miss
that can't
Pretty Soul
fly?
says bird or lioness.
If I'm gonna be a bird, be a cockroach. A lioness, no. I guess they're a majestic animal. They run really fast. They eat meat.
But still cockroach.
Still cockroach. Sorry.
Okay.
Roaches eat anything, and they are nocturnal and like light.
So Jodi will be partying all night long.
The Junkrow, the Junkrow was a good idea. Who remembers that? Leanne Ball. Junkrow was great, but the Junkrow can't sneak into as many places as a cockroach, right? And I find that, I don't know. I think we need to respect the cockroach more.
Oh boy. Okay. Well,
What you doing?
I have questions that I set out to ask.
Alright, cool.
But I mean, you know, I feel
Cockroaches
like
are not, I'm a clean cockroach. I'll go and bathe and float on the water.
you're a bathing cockroach.
I'm a bathing cockroach. I hiss while I bathe. Ants? Who want to be ants?
So I also have this next question to ask now, right? So we're in the second season of coronavirus, right?
Wow. Okay.
First season, now we're in second season of coronavirus. And I know that in first season of coronavirus that a lot of people put on weight, right? It's true.
It's true. That's me too.
It's true. Everybody put on weight during the first season. You know, we didn't know what was going on. We were like excited to just nyam and be alone. So I want to know who is going to use second season of coronavirus to get
Bring
their
that
body
body
back.
You know, I've been thinking about it. But liquor have so much calories, dog.
I know.
And liquor nice.
The liquor is hard.
Yeah.
It's hard to not drink the liquor.
Nice, man. You know, you just grab a little Lady Bee Mixology and your day is just nice.
Dude, her stuff though, like, oh my goodness.
She's like a true mixologist. Like, she catch the flavor them.
She catch it.
She just...
Somebody says, I put on, who is that? I put on, Kimber says she put on enough weight. Bashment Barbie says she put on enough weight. Gabrielle says you just put on baby weight. Tricky. See, that's why I tricked everybody. I was like, if I'm going to put on this weight, it has to be for a reason.
I think that what I will do is, like, soon, I know the diet that works for me. I know the diet that will get me to exactly where I want to be in 2 months perfectly.
What, the Corfit
The
diet?
Corfit diet. But because there's no goal, there's no, to me, I know it sounds superficial,
Yeah,
my
it's
goal
hard.
is carnival.
It's hard.
So there's nothing for me to work forward to, which is why I've just been having a good time. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I get you.
So there was a rumor, and I don't want it to be a rumor. I want this to be real. So there was a rumor saying that once you're fully vaccinated, you could go to Cayman for carnival and you wouldn't have to quarantine for the 2 weeks. So me run go get mine yesterday. So I'm hoping that that is true or will soon be true, because then I will have my goal to work towards.
She's acting up.
Yeah, because she hear me. She know me I go leave her for carnival. Soon be back. Oh, yes, I see her.
You feel her?
Yeah, she's moving. That's not a kick. That's like her moving. She's
Yeah.
shifting. Your belly feels really round today.
Let me see how it looks.
Let me see your panty today. Come right here. Come right. Let's see Tracy panty today. Let's see if she buy new
No,
drawers.
I got all new panties.
Let's see,
Hello,
let's see.
please. I hope I'm wearing one.
Oh, very nice tray. No strings hanging.
No.
Let's see. Oh, this
And the
is
puffs
nice.
is
The
getting
good
better.
boy, yeah. You still using the cream? You look a little dry though.
I do?
Yeah. Need to put on some
Oh, that's a
lotion.
pop. That's a pop.
No, right here looking a little dry. Need
Oh,
some more
I'll
lotion.
put some more.
So is this side so people can see this nice, lovely, majestic belly?
This is Stevie, guys. She is cooking up in there. Oh, cannot wait. 7 more weeks to go. 7 more weeks to go.
7 more weeks and the one named Stevie going go, 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 go. I hope she don't rip up your pum pum too much.
Wow, I hope she doesn't rip it up at all.
I got a little ripping. I get ripping every night. But okay. Alright guys, so we are going
Okay. Dr. Henriques is on call tonight apparently too.
Whew, let me go get some ice. You know? Lord of mercy. All right, somebody says I can't wait to see Stevie. And guess what, guys? Tricky will be here right here on a Tuesday. So whether Stevie's sucking breast or Stevie on the corner over there with the children in a pack and play or whatever it's called, she'll be here. Stevie will be here. She may be crying. So, yeah.
I just want you guys to also give Stevie a bly for like the first couple months because she's going to come out looking squashed.
But I've warned you about this. No, Levi came out looking like Marge Simpson. And when I did my picture, hair tracing, put him on the side.
I did say that.
Levi took about 2.5 months
to unwrap.
To fully unwrap.
I remember Jodi was like, Tracy, he was like, the photographer was there. She's like, Tracy, does he look good? Is he cute? And I said, Joe, he's healthy. He's healthy.
So then with Remy, no, Remy took longer. Remy took so long. Remy took long. Remy took like 3+ months. Yeah. And even mommy the other day was like, I was worried about that one, you know. So some people have really good looking newborns. That's great for you. I don't. So.
Oh yeah, I do have a registry up on Amazon. And my registry is in my bio. So Tracy Stew, TRACISTEW is my Instagram name. And my registry is in my bio. So I just got something.
What you did?
I did my photo shoot
for
my thank you cards, and I just actually picked up my thank you cards today. I'm so excited to mail them out to all of you. They are so cute.
And then we have a really special video coming up for you guys on YouTube. Super special. We're not going to tell you what it is. It's the birth. A joke. Well, a super special video coming up for you. It's not complete in filming, but we have something so amazing. It is going to draw a tear for sure. Like my eye corner got a little wet, and I'm not an emotional one, but there was some moistage. It could have been rain or what you call it, condensation of the air, or a little bit of my rum, So anyway, we are going to go before I get too drunk and I start saying things I don't.
Oh my gosh, Stevie is kicking.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, this belly is tight. And a loose belly like no saga belly.
No, she's enjoying today's show though, Papa.
Oh, she likes it?
You know what's so cute though? Sometimes in the night when she's behaving badly and Scott puts his hand on my belly,
she settled down.
Yeah.
Oh, Italy in the house.
Hi, Italy.
Alright guys, so that is it for today's show. We thank you so much for joining us. We hope that we gave you lots of joy, lots of laughter, lots of positivity, lots of joke, lots of joy, love.
I wish somebody was here to drink that liquor with her because Jodi just gets off. By herself.
Lady Bee Mixology in the house. It tastes good. It's so.
Oh, Izzy Mali 2020. No, I'm not having a baby shower. I'm gonna have an amazing first birthday party for Stevie. The baby shower was just getting. With the COVID restrictions, with the lockdowns, Jodi was planning something really amazing and really big, and it was just...
It wasn't really big. It was within we got cut down to 10 people. It was 15 people. Sorry, Andrew.
But I just felt like it was, with the lockdowns and stuff, like, I want to do something and celebrate Stevie when she can be fully and properly celebrated, And so I was really thankful to Jodi for arranging it, but I'm gonna wait till Stevie's first birthday party for you to do something really big. She can have a slide.
A slide? Not mine's. So I have a little reggae tag, Remy. And my son not really business with neither of us. So Stevie, maybe Stevie will be brown with curly hair. If Stevie is brown with curly hair and looks like me, she'll go get spoiled and blow.
Well, Remy is blonde with...
And Remy looks like Tracy. Maybe we could swap children.
I feel like we could.
Aww.
And Remy loved me so much.
I know, here now. What does she call it? Titi.
I know.
Like Titi. But Titi, she now says tricky. And it's so cute. Anyway, that's it. Guys, next week we'll have 3 giveaways of Spotlight on Me, the book by Rae Williams. Guys, please make sure you follow her. Make sure you follow her because we are going to promote original content. We are going to promote and we are going to support our Jamaican influencers. We're going to support our Jamaican creators overseas who need our help, who need our support, and we are going to be there for them. We are also going to be there for our Caribbean neighbors from the St Vincent and the Grenadines. Fitz, you have a lot to remind me of tonight. I'm going to post... It's homework. We're going to post, I'm sorry, I'm going to post on my page how you can help and where the drop-off points are and the banking information.
And I have to go cook for my husband. Tonight I'm shooting a video.
Honestly, like,
whatever.
Scott was so happy that he was included in the last video. Like, he took it over. All of a sudden, Scott took over the video and Tracy don't remember how to cook. Oh, why are you doing that? Enough for you. Say the salutations. Let's go.
Alright guys, thank you for coming today. Thank you for joining us. We love you so much. Remember to keep safe. Remember to always look on the bright side of things. And if you feel that you want to take the vaccine, please go and look at the Blitz locations. The vaccine is available for you today here in Jamaica. It's AstraZeneca. I think all vaccines are 6 or 1/2 and others of the other.
True.
Go and take your vaccine if that is what you decide to do.
And if not, the Blitz might be over. Some points have been to capacity. More vaccines will be coming in, so just stay tuned to the pages of Christopher Goodbody Tufton, Andrew Holness, and some of our other ministers, as they will let you know what's going on. Big up yourself, Chris Goodbody Tufton. And we would like to thank you for today, tomorrow, and every day. Goodbye.